guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a really cool emerald green eye look, and it's going to be perfect for that fall season. So without further ado, let's just jump in. I'm going to start a little different today. I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX brow pencil and my Femme Couture brow gel as normal. I'm going to then take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm going to use this to prime my eyes today, just 2 little dots. This concealer you have to work so fast with because it sets so crazy fast. So for today's eye look, I'm going to be using my Born to Run palette. And I will start by taking Weekender and just setting my eyes with it to make sure that concealer stays in place and to make sure that all other eyeshadows I put on after this blend out really nicely. And then I'm going to go into Rift, and I'm going to take that into my crease, and I'm going to swing it out, connecting it to my look, making a V in the outer corner. Then I'm going to take a smaller, more tapered brush, and I'm going to go into Punked, which is a really chocolatey brown down here. And we are just going to do the same thing. We're just going to be more precise. We're going to go in the outer V first to create the shape of that winged out effect. And we will slowly take that into the crease. And if you have a bit of a hard time creating that sort of V effect, don't worry, we're going to clean it up a little bit later. This is why we do our eyes first, for looks that are a little bit more bold like this, and to creating a really specific shape. And then I'm going to go into Wonderlust, which is this green right here. And I'm just going to take that on my finger, and I'm going to apply that right to my eyelid. And then I'm going to go on the same tapered brush we were just using. I'm going to go back into Punked. And I'm going to blend over those edges and in the crease, just to make sure everything has a really nice blend to it. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take Stranded on a super precise little tiny brush. And I'm going to start at my inner corner, placing a majority of that product in my inner corner. And then I'm going to take it under my lower lash line, going about halfway through. And I'm going to do a wing from the lower lash line up. I'm going to take some more of Wonderlust to the green shade, and I'm just going to connect everything together. And I'll go over the gold just a little bit, just to make sure they're blended nicely. Now I'm just going to take a wipe, and I'm going to wrap it around my finger, and we're going to clean right underneath along that line to just sharpen everything up. We're going to apply some Lash Princess to the lashes. And I'll zoom you out, and we're going to move on to the rest of the face. So I'm going to take my Matte Oil Control Lotion as my primer today. And I'm going to use my L'Oreal Freshware foundation. I'm going to use it on my sponge. So rare that I actually apply my foundation with my sponge, but I feel like this one works really nice with the sponge. I'm going to take that same concealer down the center of my face. And a little bit of this concealer goes a long way. So I'm going to start with the center of my face. And then with whatever's left over, I will go right under my eyes. Set everything with my Cover FX Perfect Translucent Setting Powder. For blush, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Mineral Blush and Always Spicy and apply that to the cheeks. It's a perfect fall color. I'm going to go in my Milani bronzer in Golden. I will just bronze my face with this. I want a really golden highlight for this look to tie in with the eyes, so I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter in Awesome Blossom on a really fluffy highlighting brush. This will just create a really nice overall glow. I always do the lower half of my chin because it has some little bumps up here and I do not want to bring attention to that, but I want to balance out the highlight throughout my whole face. I'm going to line the outside of my lips with my Colourpop BFF3 pencil. And then for lip gloss, I'm going to take the Pixi by Petra lip gloss in Sheer Rose. And with that done, that completes today's look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment below for what kind of makeup look you guys want to see next time on my channel. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday and hit the notification bell so you guys know every time I upload a new video. And until next time guys, bye!